The HiCAD solution for industrial facades, length optimization, packaging, and installation plans. The HiCAD solution for industrial facades offers state-of-the-art BIM planning in 3D. The number of different panels is quickly and easily optimized by flexible automatisms for the adjustment of the cut lengths. For customers, production, or assembly, individual views for shipping lengths or cut-to-size elements can be created. With the packaging function, optimized shipping packages are then defined quickly and easily directly in the 3D model and automatically output in package lists. State-of-the-art functions for drawing creation then derive installation plans and individual views, sections, and details directly from the 3D model and always up to date, even after changes. Sheets and profiles are itemized with automatic identical parts search and output in dimensioned production drawings and bills of materials. Material lists, lists of sawn beams, sheet metal parts lists, shipping lists, and bar optimization lists are automatically and correctly derived directly from the BIM model. For the NC programming of profiles and sheets, HiCAD offers extensive special interfaces like DSTV-NC, NCW, Geo, DXF, DWG, STL, or STEP. Thus, HiCAD offers a truly unique 3D BIM solution for industrial facades, from planning to production.